Hi, it's Dave with Ventev Mobile, and today we're going to talk about how to install our toughglass with the new easy install tabs onto your device. Now this is a Apple iPhone XR, and what I'm going to show you is how to use these new alignment tabs. All you need is your device's charging cable. So let's get started. First we need to clean the glass. Give it a good wipe down to ensure maximum adhesion. That's always very, very important. There we go. Set that aside. Take your polishing cloth, go over it again. Make sure it's nice and clean. There we go. All right, now for the fun part. So this has two tabs. So the bottom here is where your charging cable is going to go, and then the top here, there's another port which aligns with the speaker port on your device on the top. So the first thing you're going to do is take the charging cable, the connector end, insert it through the port, and then plug it into the bottom of your device. Okay. Now you're going to remove the film where it says back. This is the adhesive side, so carefully remove the film. Now you're ready to rest it on the device. This ensures that the alignment is absolutely perfect. Go ahead and rest it on there. Take your applicator card. Push out all the little air bubbles. There we go, almost there. Now take this tab up here and just pull that right off. Disconnect the cable from the device, set that aside. Go over this one more time if need be. Take your polishing cloth, go over it one last time. And there you have it. Your crystal clear protection for your device using the easy alignment tabs. And there you have it.